it's Jen. Wow, long time no video. I'm sorry, but in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a face mask that I have literally seen all over Instagram. Like, it's always being sponsored. At least every other time I go on Instagram, I always see it once or more in my timeline, and I've been wanting to try it for a really long time. And that face mask I'm talking about is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Purifying Face Mask. I've heard so many good things about this. I've seen a lot of videos on it, a lot of review videos. Everyone seems to love it. It's like the new rage now. It's like completely transformed people's skin. People have been saying that like they don't even need to wear makeup anymore because it just makes your skin look that good. So I'm just gonna see what all the hype is about and try it on today for the first time, review it, show you guys if it works and how it transforms my skin. So let's get right into it. So I recently received this face mask a couple days ago. This is the packaging for it. It is so cute. It's pink and blue. It's got the little like Australian oceans on it because it's from Australia. So I'm just gonna quickly read what the box says, the directions, the backstory, etc., etc. It says, our Australian botanical infused pink clay mask is a superpowered 4-in-1 formula. It's an instant detox mask to tighten pores, invigorate a dull complexion, and instantly boost radiance. Okay, that sounds promising. Supposedly, it detoxifies and brightens your skin. It is made with 100% natural Australian ingredients, gives your skin a summer glow in only 10 minutes, which I need because summer's coming up and y'all know I need that glow. It is also cruelty-free and free of parabens, which is always something I'm looking for because I'm not trying to get parabens on my skin. It helps skin regeneration, removes toxins, helps clear and shrink your pores, and it's just all in all amazing, apparently. So let's see if it's as amazing as it sounds and just get this baby started. So as soon as I open the package, it comes with a cute little face mask applicator brush. I could probably use this as a makeup brush too. And here is the beautiful product. Oh my god, it's pink! I love it. So it's this nice pinkish little, it's actually kind of more purple. Ooh, it smells good. It looks like it's a good consistency. So let's read the directions here and see what I need to do. Apply evenly over clean and dry skin. Use the brush provided. A little goes a long way. Leave for 10 minutes. Gently remove with warm water or a wet towel. Pat dry. For oily or combination skin, use 2 to 3 times a week. For dry and sensitive skin, use 1 to 2 times a week. So I do have sensitive skin, which means if this works out for me, I will definitely be using it probably only twice a week. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my hair up and begin. Okay, my hair is up and now I'm going to start applying this to my face. Okay, so they said a little goes a long way. So I'm only gonna take a little bit and just start going for it, I guess. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Oh my god, it feels so nice. Oh my god, it's already starting to dry. Look at my chin. Holy crap. Okay, I gotta speed this up. Okay, so the mask is on. I can already feel it starting to dry and harden. So I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water or a wet towel, which I'll probably use a wet towel because my eyebrows are done, so I don't want to have to wash that off. It's currently 6:23, so at 6:33, I will be taking this off.
Oh my, my, my. I die every night with you. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it.
All right, everyone, it is 6:33. It's been 10 minutes. The mask has dried, it has hardened, and now it is time to take it off and see how my skin looks. All right, let's do this. All right, everyone, so I just took off my face mask, and as soon as I took it off, my skin was a little bit red, but that's just because I have really sensitive skin, and whenever I take off any face mask or anything in general, my skin turns a little red. So I decided to like kind of just sit here for a little bit and wait for the redness to go away. And now that it is gone, y'all, hold on, let me take my hair down for this because there we go. Right off the bat, my skin feels so smooth. Like, I'm not even kidding. My skin feels amazing. And I don't know if you could tell on the camera, but like I had some spots on my face and they're not like that noticeable anymore. And I do notice that my skin looks brighter. I have like this glow to me. I don't know if I'm not just being biased, okay? And I like, you probably can't even tell on the camera, but I can definitely see a difference. I'm actually like awestruck. Like, my skin looks more even, like my skin tone. Like, honestly, just looking at myself in the mirror, I feel like I look like I put on makeup. But I didn't put on makeup, but it looks like I did. So people were not kidding when they said that you don't even need to wear makeup after putting on this mask because it looks like you already have some on. And that's so true. Wow. 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 So this is the before and after photo of me using the mask, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can definitely see a difference in my skin. It's just incredible. So overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. Hands down, one of the best face masks I've ever used. And I highly recommend it to all of you out there, no matter if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, because I have like the worst skin type ever and this actually worked for me. So if you guys want to get one of these for your own, I will put a little link in the description down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I am so like, I'm glowing. I am impressed. I am feeling so good. But that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click the little circle icon right here to subscribe to my main channel. Follow me on all my social media down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!